Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Meta Quest 2 without a PC. First, understand that direct native support for Roblox on the Quest 2 is not yet available, so we will use a workaround. This involves using cloud gaming services, which allow you to stream games from powerful servers directly to your headset. This method bypasses the need for your own high-end computer, providing a seamless experience right in your virtual reality environment. Before we dive in, make sure your Meta Quest 2 is ready to go, with its software fully updated. A crucial element for cloud gaming is a very fast and stable internet connection. We recommend at least 100 megabits per second download speed to prevent lag and ensure clear visuals. Additionally, you will need a subscription to a cloud gaming service that hosts Roblox. For example, Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, which includes Xbox Cloud Gaming. Now, let's get into the virtual browser. From your Quest 2's main menu, open the built-in browser application. Once it loads, type in the web address for your cloud gaming service. For Xbox Cloud Gaming, you would go to xbox.com/play. After reaching the site, log in with your account details for that service. This step links your Quest 2 to the powerful gaming servers running Roblox. With your cloud gaming service now active in the browser, find Roblox in its game library and click to launch it. The game will begin streaming directly onto the large virtual screen in front of you. While Roblox loads, remember that you will be using your Quest 2's physical controllers to play, mimicking a standard gamepad. Most cloud gaming platforms have excellent support for these input methods, giving you full control within the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.